One of the religion that came to bring peace to the world has now become a religion of mockery because of selfishness. You don't deserve to be called men of God, because God is a God of all flesh. And a Christopher why must we do religious politics in the name of Yaya Christopher? Intentionally, we in another free war. We in another Tiasema Meno Kani. We in another what the Bawumia Tona Kumaso. Everywhere party no de Dr. Bawumia Baye. The reason is say Omum Pese Ghana for who say MPP account for party. So they brought Bawumia to break that chains, but not for him.